Unpacking the Meaning of Ski Bag. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the phrase, ski bag. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it correctly in sentences. Let's start by understanding each word individually. 1. Ski. A ski is a long, flat device, usually made of wood or plastic, that is worn on the foot to glide or slide over snow. People use skis for recreational activities or sports, such as skiing down snowy mountains. 2. Bag. A bag is a container made of flexible material with an opening at the top. It's used for holding or carrying things. When we put these two words together, ski and bag, the phrase ski bag refers to a specialized bag designed to hold or carry skis. These bags are typically elongated to fit the length of skis and might have extra compartments or padding to protect the skis and make transportation easier. To help you better understand, here are some sentences using ski bag. 1. I packed my ski bag and I'm ready for the trip to the mountains. 2. Make sure to put your skis in a ski bag to avoid them getting scratched during travel. 3. She bought a new ski bag that can fit both her skis and poles. Just like many products, ski bags come in different styles and features. 1. Padded ski bags. These have extra cushioning to protect skis from damage. 2. Wheeled ski bags. Designed with wheels to make transporting skis easier, especially at airports. 3. Double ski bags. Designed to hold two pairs of skis. And there you have it. The phrase, ski bag, simply refers to a specialized bag for carrying and protecting skis. Next time you hear or read this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy skiing and take care of your skis with a good ski bag.